She grew up in Dhaka, a child with colors, cassettes, and endless imagination. While others saw chaos, she saw a canvas. At university, mentors awakened Papia's true voice, not from textbooks, but from soil, silence, and soul. She didn't follow the path. Papia walked the earth, mud, spices, bamboo, straw. Every element became part of her art. The murals and wall paintings created by Papia do more than decorate. They honor heritage, tell human stories, and connect people to nature's rhythm. Today, Papia Sarwar Dithi's work travels from Dhaka to international spaces. She champions women artisans, elevates natural art, and proves clay and color can speak. Meet the artist who turns earth into emotion, Papia Sarwar Dithi.